Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam, a channel where we feature some of the most exciting and epic road moments caught on Drivers Dashcam. This episode is going to be full of all sorts of crazy encounters and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. All the clips used here are for educational purposes, so without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Always adjust your speed to the road conditions. When the road is full of snow and ice, you're supposed to take it slow, otherwise you might end up crashing.
Oh, it's that Amazon that went by me earlier.
What must just happened in the last 5 minutes?
This is yet another video that shows us that we need to be really careful at intersections. Red light runners are everywhere and if we are not prepared for them, we can end up crashing. One driver thought that it would be a good idea to cut off a semi-truck vehicle. By doing this, you put yourself at a greater risk than the semi-trucker. Please guys, never act like this driver here.
No problem. You told them that the wash.
Yeah, go on.
I don't know who's honking at you.
Yeah, but I was on the roundabout. You had to give way to a vehicle on the roundabout.
The driver on the right side of the camera forgot to check the lines on the road and he cut in front of him over a solid line. Camera was caught off guard by his move but somehow managed to swerve around. I'm at a loss of words for the driver in front of the camera. Where to even start with him? He was driving in the wrong lane all the time and he nearly got involved in an accident as well.
Yo, this was interesting. So while I'm showing you the tractor trailer wreck on the left, and I'll spin the camera a little bit to show center, rental truck pulls off into my lane without even looking or noticing that I'm there. Nice job, idiot.
Driver ran a red light and he didn't notice a police officer patrolling the traffic at the side of the road. He immediately switched his emergency lights and he pulled the camera over. This time he got a ticket. With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of this as well. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.